Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to add sparklines in Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel, let's get started. Sparklines are small charts that are placed in separate cells of a sheet. Due to their compact size, sparklines can display patterns in large datasets in a compressed and visual form. So we highlight the range, then go to the Insert tab and select Sparklines, and then select the desired type of sparkline, line, column or win-loss type. Or you can do it much faster. After selecting the range, we see this icon on the corner, which is called Quick Analysis. Select it, then go to the Sparklines and also select the type of sparkline you like. We extend the sparklines over the entire column. After adding sparklines, an additional tab appears to configure them. As always, you can change the style of the sparkline, its color, and line thickness. You can add important points, the first and last points, high or low points, negative points if there were negative values in the range, and mark all points of the range on the chart. If you are not satisfied with the default colors of the represented points, you can always change them right here. It's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.